All right, this is the process of getting air out of the lines. So basically, you hook up to the back of the Capilano, the top one. I'm up on my fly bridge, and you put oil in there, and then you start cranking the main console back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and you'll work the oil down. Then you come back up top, you do it up top, then you go back down, do it down, and come back up. And you can see that you'll eventually produce, the air will bubble up to your fly bridge. And then this is just a bottle connected in upside down and has a hole in it over here to let air in. And then what I do is I put a screw in it when I am going to take it off so it won't leak. And normally I try to do it so the whole bottle's used up, but there you go. So just crank back and forth and you'll work the air out.